Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm doing, this is me getting up. I haven't done anything to my hair, and all I've done is actually taken my scarf off. I haven't gotten a bath or anything, so I'm getting ready to get dressed because the hubster and I are going out. So I just thought this would be a perfect time to show you basically what my hair is looking like and give you some good shots. So we're gonna just look at it. So this is my hair. This is what we have. This is what it's looking like in the top. As you can see, I have some new growth. It's really dry right now. So I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna do a 360 and let you just see what it's looking like. This is the back. So this is what it looks like in the back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll go ahead and get a shower. And normally when I get my shower, I don't cover my hair. I allow my hair to just take in that moisture from the shower. I've never covered my hair since I first locked it. So this is what we have. Just wanted to show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and get my shower, and then I will bring you back so that you can see what it's looking like. So right now I want to show you, this is my little treble edge. So this is a little twist I have here. This hair here, I mean, I'm completely bald right here. So I've been using some oil on my edges, a certain type of oil to try and help that grow. Yeah, this is the oil that I use, and I use it mainly on my edges. And as you can see, it has a lot of stuff in the bottom. So I normally just shake it up. See how it looks? So I shake it up. And then I put this on my edges. So since I've been using it, I have noticed some changes. And so I don't put but a few little drops. I don't go overboard. So it is definitely helping my hair grow on these edges. And that is something that I have really been fighting with, is my edges. So I don't put a lot of oil, because I don't like when oil runs down my face. But I do just massage it in. And most of the time, this is the only place I put this particular oil. Now I do use the wild growth oil, but I use that throughout my whole head. So today what I'm gonna do is just I'm massaging this in my edges. And then the rest we will do once I get out of the shower. I'll do the rest of the show you what I do with my hair once I get out of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get my shower, and then I'm gonna come back and show you exactly what I do on a daily, okay? All right guys, I am fresh out of the shower. I haven't gotten dressed yet, but just wanted to show you what my hair looks like when I get out of the shower. This is how my hair is. So it's from the shower, it's got a little moisture, got a good bit of moisture. It's pretty wet, kind of. I allow the water to just hit my hair. So this is what we have fresh out of the shower. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get fully dressed so that I can actually show you what I do to my hair and get it ready for the day, okay? Stay tuned. So this is my hair now, guys. I've gotten my shower. So now I'm getting ready to go ahead and do my hair. So in my water bottle, I normally take and I put about this much water, about this much water. And then I go in with, this is the rose water that I am actually using right now. So this is the rose water with glycerin. So I normally go in with about this much in my bottle. I find that if I put in, if I put rose water in my hair just full strength, my hair itches so bad, so it does not like it. So I have to dilute it. Next I go in with this aloe vera gel. Yeah, this is the aloe vera gel that I go in with, and I put a little of that in my water bottle, and also in my water bottle I always put avocado oil. So that's what I do for my hair. So now I've shaken this up, because you know when you have all water, you have to make sure it's well incorporated. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to spray a lot, because as you saw, my hair was pretty wet from the shower. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So yeah, this is it. And I do try and, I don't want to wet it too much because I am going out. The weather is good here today. I don't know if you noticed, but this is, I started my own 2 strand twist. So as a result of that, this is what we have right now. So I don't have perfect parts, and that's not important to me. This is the mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil that I'm going in with. And so I'm only going to put a drop, because I don't like a lot of oil on my hair. So I'm going to go in with that much. Okay, I should have took my ring off. I don't like all kind of stuff in my rings. So anyway, and I mainly try and focus on my ends. So I mainly try and focus on my ends. So now this is all I'm going to do. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to do with my hair. And I try and go in with my fingers and kind of make sure everything is separated. So yeah, so this is what I have. My daughter wants me to wear my hair like this today, but I don't like wearing it this way. And that's only because my hair, when I wear it this way, that means my hair is going to be in my face. And I don't like it to touch my face. Believe it or not, my own hair, I'm allergic to my own hair, honestly, it seems like. So anyway, this is the way I might do it today. I don't know yet. It's going to determine, I'll see how I feel about it. So I'm looking this way, guys, because I have my camera sitting up here on my big dresser in my bedroom. And over here is my mirror. So that's why you see me looking this way. So yeah, so this is what we have here for my hair. This is what this side is looking like. And so I'm gonna go turn around, let you see the bag. So it is time for me to actually get in here and retwist my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like, guys. And this is the top of my hair. So yeah, so this is my hair. This is the style that I'm gonna do today. Even though I don't like this style, I don't like it to the side, because again, it means that this hair is gonna be touching my forehead. But anyway, we're gonna go with it for today. Just to kind of like get my hair to lay like I want it. This is the gel that I'm gonna go in with here. That's the gel that I'm gonna use. And I'm not gonna use gel everywhere. I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel right on this side. And I don't really want it a lot. I hate a lot of gel on my edges. And so what I'm gonna do, don't laugh, I'm gonna use the end of this here, because I don't have that many edges. I mean, all right, so that is it, guys. I'm not gonna, let's see, do I want to put any edges right here? I might do a little. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna even, well, I didn't want to do this side. I don't think I'm gonna do that side. I don't think it really needs it. So anyway, this is my look for today, guys. So this has been just a little quick video to show you what I do and how I try and what I do to keep my hair looking good. So now I'm going to give you a full look all the way around it, so you can kind of like see what it's looking like, guys. Now this is my style for today. So here we go. We're going to do a 360 turn. I should have kept my mirror. sure as I want it. Alright guys, so thank you for being here on my channel, Locked Up and Free. So this is only my second video, so stay tuned to see more updates. Again, this is April the 1st. We are 16 days from our 3-month lock journey. So when we reach 3 months, I will definitely upload another video so that you guys can see. Make sure you do support my channel. My name is Brenda. I am a stay-at-home mom. I do work from home. And this journey for me is something very personal and very new. I started the locks because my hair had gotten to a point where it just did not like the weaves or anything anymore. It just did not want it. My scalp was so irritated. But with this, my scalp does not get irritated, and I absolutely love it, guys. So please support the channel. Make sure you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, guys, and do leave comments below. And at least just shout out to me, say hi, tell me your name, where you're from. I'm from Georgia, so that we can get to know each other. And if you are on this lock journey as well, drop me a picture or two so that I can see where you're at in your lock journey. And maybe we can converse and kind of, you can help me out because this is new to me, guys. So I am just really learning. So I'm really excited about my lock journey. I'm excited about my hair. I'm excited to see where I will be by the middle of April, May, June, July. In July, which I'll be 6 months locked by then. So I'm excited to see what my hair is going to look like by then. But guys, you stay tuned for more updated videos. And until next time, you guys be safe. Take care.